In this tutorial, I'll show you how to complete Discord quests without owning or launching the required game. The process is quick, simple, and easy to follow. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. First, open Discord on your computer. Once you're logged in, click the user settings icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll down until you find Advanced or Developer Settings, then enable Developer Mode. After enabling Developer Mode, return to the main Discord window and open the Quest section. Choose the quest you want to complete and click Accept Quest. Once accepted, your progress should start at 0%. Keep in mind that some quests, such as promotions for services like eBay or free games like Roblox, may not require any special steps. However, if you're trying to complete a quest that normally requires launching a game, continue with the next steps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to open the developer tools. If the developer tools don't open in the Discord desktop app, try using the Discord web version in your browser instead. When the developer tools appear, switch to the console tab. Next, open the website linked in the video description. Copy the entire script exactly as provided on that page, then paste it into the console. If Discord blocks pasting into the console, type Allow Pasting and press Enter. After that, paste the script again and run it. If everything works correctly, the quest will begin progressing automatically. Although it may appear completed right away, Discord usually takes around 15 minutes to fully register the quest completion. You can monitor the progress anytime by returning to the Quest tab.